Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. Today we're going to do some truck stuff with trucks. Let's go. Maybe I'll put these to the test again. Good morning, everybody. We're just on our way to see Scuba Steve. If you don't remember who that is, in previous videos, he's the one that has had the C8 Corvette with the wide body and the Trail Boss. I think he doesn't like big trucks, so he's downsizing to his now new 2022 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison AEV edition. It's got some stuff done to it already. We're gonna go check it out. So we are just about to Steve's house. If you notice, it's strange that I'll be doing all the driving. Steve recently went through a medical issue, so he's not supposed to be driving right now. I don't mind being the test subject for him and testing his new Colorado, but he'll be with us. But I just wanted to let you know that in case you're wondering. Skip the dishes.
Oh yeah, bud.
Friends win friends coffee.
I appreciate it. Do you want to come in for a sec?
Sure. We are just headed to the dive shop to pick up your truck.
That's what you call the dive shop. Yes. Love it.
So this is a gift from Mrs. Don's Life. So Steve, tell us about your 2022 Colorado ZR2 Bison AEV edition.
That is it. Just picked it up. Yeah, so it's got a 4-inch BDS lift on it. It's got 35s. I added the snorkel to it. Not that I plan on submerging it, but I think it looks a little more gangster. Somebody put graffiti on it. I don't know what happened there.
You're really embracing this nickname.
There's some cool features, like it's got rock sliders on it.
Yeah, they come all the way to the back and to the ears.
The entire undercarriage has steel protection on it for sliding on rocks. It's got the rear body protection back here. I also added the roll bar on the back. Yeah, they kind of look bare without it, so I added that. You can buy the non-GM one, but it doesn't say ZR2. So I bought the GM one because it said ZR2 on it. So other than that, these are super cool. They come with front and rear lockers. So.
Okay, well let's take it out in the snow. Okay, we're gonna head to no man's land and try not to get stuck. Okay, off-road mode on.
Off-road mode on.
Okay, don't have my sunglasses, but it should be good.
Should be good. Let's go where we got stuck last time and see how we did.
All right, let's go. The last time we went up here, I don't know how fast you want to be hitting these things.
As fast as you want. Faster than that. There we go. Now we're cruising. Okay, you gotta hit with speed, Don. Oh, it's pretty deep, hey?
Yeah.
So you'll never be able to steer with 2 lockers on.
Okay, we want to go here or there?
Here, we're gonna hit her good though.
Okay,
like
we're
send
high,
it.
Though.
We're good.
We're all in agreement?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't be a girl. Send it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's pretty deep up here, hey? There we go. To the floor, all the way. Oh yeah, keep her going on.
Can you see where the grass is?
Yeah, it's a little less deep. Probably. Yeah. Even the dog is watching you. The dog's like, what's this guy doing? The dog's like, this guy's a madman. Well done, we went way past what we did last time.
Yeah, our trucks would have got stuck.
There's no way our trucks are getting through that at all. All right, now we're back on the beaten path. Oh, there's a Greyhound over there. Cool.
There's that, well, let's keep going, I guess.
That was easy, yeah. Let's, the big hills are that way, so I'll pull it up on Google Map here.
We are back in 4 high.
Off-road mode on? I don't see an off-road.
All the off-road mode, we'll tell you in a second. Yeah, off-road mode on.
Okay, let's go through this mess over here.
This apparently is off-road.
Yeah, this is off-road for sure. Let's go through this mess.
These guys in the sleds are gonna be like, someone took their truck through there?
Again, yeah. I think the Hummer through there last time, remember?
Do we try it?
You want to try it? Yeah.
Well, it's got to be your choice.
I trust your
my
driving.
truck.
I trust your driving, so. What? That was like nothing. That was easy.
Super easy.
Like effortless easy.
Okay.
I can get okay. I did.
I can kind of see now. So kind of back in there.
That's what I think. Yeah. Because it looks like over there is a little ways that way, right?
Well, you have great approach angles.
Yeah.
Is this what you're thinking?
Yep.
Oh, we got a floating wheel.
Yeah. You can do it.
I think it was back there, maybe.
Okay, go that way.
I guess we can go look. Where do you want to go?
I could go that way or that. I know it doesn't matter.
Think we can get up there? Because that's where that road goes.
Yeah, I think we could just because if you look at the grass.
Okay, I'll go for it and I'll hang a left at that.
Yeah.
So this truck is pretty much in showroom condition. So from the showroom to the trails, I've driven it probably 6 out of the 178 kilometers that it has. And it's never been cleaned, I don't think.
Nope.
It's
Never been washed.
It's ready to go, never been washed. Well, let's, should we go left or right?
Let's go right.
It looks the sketchiest.
Yeah,
I
that's
agree.
what I like, yeah. I'm pretty confident we're not getting stuck. Well, you'd probably get hang time off this. Do you know?
Really?
Not yet, no. This looks sketchy. It looks like a lot of people have got stuck in there. Like you can see all the deep spots.
This could be our first mistake of the day. That trail doesn't look like one that many people frequent. So let's go.
I don't think many people make it through this trail because there's a lot of shovel marks.
Where's the cruise control?
Right? I wonder where that goes.
Think we can do it?
I think so, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then you gotta go that way, I guess. And then you go back down right there, I think. Man, the approach angles on this thing are crazy.
I love it. Good?
Yeah, yeah. You could even go, I wonder where that goes.
Looks like a frozen lake.
Yeah, it does look like a frozen lake, doesn't it? How steep is it? Because I don't see where it goes.
gonna put it in 4 low just to crawl out of this slop right here. No people down there?
No. It's pretty steep, eh?
I just want to lock it up and see what it does.
It stops.
Do you have the thing that tells you your angle?
Yeah, it should be in the menu there.
For the 21.
21.
We're going to keep that on.
Yeah.
22. There goes the shovel. Yeah.
Off-roading's more fun when we're not shoveling the whole time.
This is so much more fun. And that was even fun.
Yeah.
Just because people show up to hell.
And then they get stuck.
Yeah. So there's nobody coming?
Right? Could you imagine?
It's always just unnerving when you can't see what's coming.
Yeah.
You see the sky.
There's the sky down. Okay, let's go back to the other one. There. Yeah, that's the area.
This thing's awesome.
A little bit of speed, super steep, super steep. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Oh yeah.
It's not friendly. Oh my god, no boy. Dawn must have had some morning beers or something here. Lots of people have got stuck over there. Let's go see how we do over there.
You want me to go just straight?
Yeah, just go see if we get stuck over there.
All right. Bad ideas. Drowning in bad ideas.
Drowning in bad
that's the
ideas.
Scuba Steve thing.
Yeah.
Okay, full send.
Full send. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
That was the spot I was worried about.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's deep here.
Oh yeah, this is deep. You're struggling now. Looks like lots of people got stuck here, including snowmobiles.
Yeah, we're right here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's deep here.
Oh, that just stopped us in our tracks.
Like
Like
a
some...
5-foot chunk of snow there.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna.
I think we finally
follow this thing.
met our
we're
feet
not
here.
stuck yet.
It's up to the floor.
In this truck?
Yes.
Yeah, I can just slide out now.
I'm actually surprised, but you know what? We hit that pretty good and it stopped us, so.
Both lockers on too.
We must be high-centered.
I'm gonna put that on pause.
Didn't we come through here?
Oh man, don't want to go down there.
No, you don't on slide moves. Does this look like a commercial?
Pretty narrow.
Don, you look like a commercial, buddy.
I think it's about this time last year when we got the black Hummer stuck in here.
If they want to see this get stuck, that's a video they should do.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to head back to the shop and wrap up this video. All right, we're back at the dive shop with Scuba Steve's Colorado ZR2 Bison. Steve, thanks for letting us take it out.
Of course.
To my viewers, if you are interested in me doing a little more detailed review on the truck, let myself know in the comments below. Steve said no problem, we can do that for you. So maybe that's something we'll do.
A little less shoveling on the next video.
No shoveling in the next video. This is a very capable off-roader. Of course, the 4-inch lift definitely helped. I had a blast, so thank you for that.
Yeah, of course, anytime.
But if you like today's video and like content like this, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time.